Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. Let's get crafting. Today we're going to do some painting, and I pulled this out of the haul that I did last week, I believe it was. And I got these markers. Well, first I got these Dollar Tree markers, and they're actually surprisingly good. They're acrylic markers. There's limited colors though. But I got these fabulous markers from Amazon, and they have absolutely 100% turned me into a coloring fanatic. And so if you want to give coloring a try, try with those Dollar Tree markers first. But if you love it, get these markers from Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. So we are going to print this wood cutout from Dollar Tree Crafter Square. Most of the crafts are still $1.25, so $1.25 pretty good. And I'm just going to take the little tag, the little hanger off, because I don't want it to get in the way. We don't need that. And then we're just going to be creative and paint. So we're going to paint with acrylic paint markers, I should say. We're not going to paint with a paintbrush because I don't have enough control. These markers are fabulous and give you all the control you want in order to paint very well. I'm quite impressed with them. I got to tell you, I'm very impressed with them. And I recommend, if you enjoy coloring at all, that you give these markers a try. So this is a mountain scene with some trees in the front and some water, and it's just a mountain scene, nothing dramatic. And I'm going to go very expected in the colors, but imagine if you've got a real fun personality, imagine maybe the mountains are purple and maybe the water is pink, or maybe you could make it super fun. It's only $1.25, so honestly, if it looks horrible, who cares? Start over, color it all white and start over, or whatever. But I'm not that adventurous, so I'm going very standard, very typical colors for this scene. So I think you get the idea. I'm going to paint. I'm going to do all kinds of paints, and I'm going to make the video go really fast so we're not here for hours and hours. But I don't think you need me to talk the whole time. So here we go. Let's continue painting. And that's it. Quick and easy painting. and it's quite cute. I like it a lot. And again, you could make this as wild and rambunctious as you want if, you know, it's decor in your home. I made it very simple because that's how I am. But I do think it's quite cute. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. Sure hope you can give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, you should hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.